Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of game development once again as we take our Bricks Breaker game to a new level. Get ready, we are about to introduce some power-ups that will shake up the gameplay like never before. The first power-up will destroy the bricks in the row. The second one will destroy the bricks in the column. We are also introducing an audio effect for when the ball hit a brick and for the explosion caused by the power-ups. So let's get started. I started by creating the folder Assets inside the app folder. Inside it, I created the folder Audio. I then added 3 audio files. Ball MP3 for when the ball collide with the brick. Column explosion and row explosion MP3 files for the power-ups. I then updated the PubSpec YAML file to add the Flame audio package. I updated the constants Dart file to add the constants for the audio files. Next, I updated the brick Dart file. Here, I added parameters for the brick row and the brick column. I introduced a method to randomly generate a brick text. This method will have the logic and the probability to create a text for the brick showing either the brick value or the row power-up or the column power-up. I updated the handle collision method to play an audio when the ball hit the brick. It will also remove the brick layer from the row or the column if the brick text is a power-up. I updated the Bricks Breaker Dart file to populate the brick row and brick column parameter when creating the brick. I also introduced the remove brick layers row and remove brick layer column methods. Those methods will be used if the ball hit a brick with a power-up. And that's all. Run the app and you will hear the audio when the ball hit a brick. Try to aim for the brick with power-ups and see how the columns and the rows will explode.